boys and girls, come hear my greeting. I hope you don't plan on sleeping. Tonight, for while you are dreaming, evil awakes, unnerved and creeping. There's things that thump, things that bite, things that go bump in the night. What are these things? You sit and ponder. Brace yourselves, we call them monsters. It's called furry, 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 furry. But oh wait, where's its head? I don't see it anywhere. It's called furry, 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 furry. It's on its chest, it's on its chest, like some kind of Pokemon. It's called furry, 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 furry. But oh wait, where's its head? I don't see it anywhere. It's called furry, 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 furry. It's on its chest, it's on its chest, like some kind of Pokemon.
Come in. Come in. Oh! I can make the lights go out. I can make the wooden boards go rat-tat-tat. I can make the world seem slower. Tickle your nose, and after that, I can make your teeth fall out. I can make you go blind as a bat. I can make you feel dizzy. Fall asleep and I'll feed you to my cat.
Make it last forever, friendship never ends.